Greetings everyone, today Simple Discovery invites you on an exclusive deep dive exploration
into the heart of one of the world's most advanced confectionery powerhouses. We are stepping behind the secure doors of a massive KitKat production facility to witness the seamless integration of high-tech engineering and culinary artistry. Every single KitKat bar you enjoy is the result of a complex synchronized operation where crispy wafer sheets are crafted with micron-level precision and enveloped in premium chocolate. In this episode, we will deconstruct the entire life cycle of this global icon, from ethical raw material procurement to the final automated logistics. If you appreciate the intersection of industrial innovation and craftsmanship, ensure you are subscribed to Beyond Discovery for our full series on global manufacturing wonders.
To understand the scale of today's operation, we must first look back to the origins of this confectionery revolution. The year was 1935.
I'll have the usual details.
KitKat, Fred.
That's right, milk chocolate crisp centre. KitKat being what it is and me being what I am, we seem to come together quite natural this time of the morning. I always say,
have a break. Have a KitKat.
Within the creative halls of the Roundtrees of York Company, a new vision for a portable, snappable chocolate treat was taking shape. Originally launched as Roundtrees Chocolate Crisp, the product was an immediate success, offering a unique texture that the market had never seen before. The turning point for the brand's global dominance occurred in 1988, when the multinational corporation Nestle acquired Roundtree. This acquisition led to the official rebranding as KitKat, a name that would soon become synonymous with the break culture. Since then, the brand has evolved from a local British favorite into a global phenomenon, sparking a specialized industry dedicated to its production and continuous innovation. How does this massive industrial complex manage to produce billions of bars annually while maintaining a flawless consistency that consumers in over 70 nations expect? The answer lies in a highly controlled, multi-stage manufacturing ecosystem. The life cycle of a KitKat does not begin on the factory floor, but rather in the verdant, sun-drenched cocoa plantations of West Africa. Nestle's commitment to quality starts at the source through the Nestle Cocoa Plan. This initiative ensures that every bean used is part of a sustainable supply chain focused on better farming practices and improved social conditions for local communities. The raw cocoa beans undergo a rigorous selection process. Only those meeting strict moisture and flavor profiles are transported to the processing facility. This ethical and quality-driven approach ensures that the foundation of the chocolate, the cocoa liquor, and butter retains its rich, complex characteristics before it ever reaches the mixing tanks. As we move into the heart of the facility, we enter the liquid gold zone. Here, massive industrial mixers operate around the clock, blending precise ratios of cocoa liquor, sugar, and high-quality milk powder. This stage is governed by automated sensors that monitor temperature and viscosity at every second. Following the initial mixing, the chocolate enters the conching phase. This is where the true magic of texture happens. Large, heated tanks with rotating rollers grind the chocolate particles down to a size smaller than a human taste bud can detect. This process removes any lingering acidity and develops the silky smooth mouthfeel that defines the KitKat coating. For a premium finish, this conching process can last for several hours, ensuring a consistent aromatic profile across every batch. While the chocolate is being refined, a parallel operation is taking place in the wafer department, a symphony of mathematical accuracy. The batter, a secret blend of flour and key ingredients, is distributed across large rotating baking plates. These plates are engineered to apply uniform heat, baking the wafer sheets to a specific golden ratio hue. The structural integrity of a KitKat depends on the crispness of these wafers. Once baked, the sheets move through a cooling tunnel to set their texture. They are then stacked into multiple layers with a fine cream filling in between. These massive sandwiches of wafer are then moved to a high-speed cutting station. Using ultrasonic or precision blade technology, the sheets are sliced into the exact dimensions of the internal KitKat core. Every fragment and offcut from this process is captured and recycled back into the production cycle, ensuring zero waste.
The most visually stunning phase is the enrobing. The individual wafer cores advance on a conveyor system, passing under a continuous shimmering curtain of tempered chocolate. This is not a simple dip, it is a carefully calibrated coating process. A high-pressure air blower known as a detailer removes any excess chocolate, ensuring the weight of every bar is identical to the milligram. This stage creates the iconic ribbed look on the top of the bar. The enrobed bars then travel through a long cooling tunnel where the temperature is dropped gradually to give the chocolate its professional snap and a high gloss finish that resists melting at room temperature. At peak capacity, this single facility is capable of outputting an astonishing 3 million KitKat bars every 24 hours. This level of efficiency is what allows the brand to maintain its presence in nearly every corner of the globe. Beyond the numbers, the KitKat has influenced a unique cultural ritual. Whether it's the traditional snap of the four-finger bar or the specialized local flavors found in markets like Japan, the experience is universal. Some consumers prefer to dissect the bar layer by layer, while others enjoy the immediate crunch of all elements combined. This versatility in consumption is a key factor in the product's enduring appeal across different generations and cultures. As the bars exit the cooling tunnels, they enter the high-speed packaging sector. This area is a showcase of modern robotics. Nimble, spider robotic arms equipped with optical sensors identify the position of each bar and place them with lightning speed onto the wrapping line. The packaging itself is a feat of engineering, now increasingly made from 100% recyclable paper or advanced polymers to reduce environmental impact. Every single pack is scanned by X-ray and metal detection systems to ensure absolute consumer safety. Furthermore, quality control experts perform sensory audits every hour, tasting samples from the line to ensure the flavor profile remains perfect. Once cleared, the packs are funneled into automated boxing units, sealed, and palletized by heavy-duty robots, ready for the global supply chain. The journey of a KitKat bar, from a cocoa pod in Africa to a high-tech factory in York or beyond, is a testament to the power of human ingenuity. We hope this deep dive has given you a new perspective on the precision and care required to create this simple joy. If you were impressed by the scale and technology of this operation, please show your support by liking and sharing this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to join us on our next industrial adventure.